Hello, adventurers and dreamers. Welcome back to Abroad Keeda, your ultimate guide to exploring beyond borders. And today we're diving into an exciting journey into the history of education itself. Have you ever pondered the origin story of Oxford University? Established around 1167, it proudly stands as the second oldest university in continuous operation, playing second fiddle only to its Italian sibling, the University of Bologna. Situated in the city of Oxford, in the heart of England, it serves as a living testament to the enduring power of education and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. But don't be fooled, this institution isn't a stone giant, but a complex structure composed of 39 academic colleges and 6 permanent private halls, also known as PPHs. Each of them carries its unique history, heritage, and contribution to the grand Oxford narrative. These colleges and halls are the vital veins of Oxford, each a small world of learning, nurturing an atmosphere where ideas surge and minds are honed. From its inception as a gathering of scholars, Oxford has expanded, evolved, and adapted with time. From humble beginnings, Oxford has emerged as a global academic titan. So whether you plan to study, work, or simply traverse overseas, stay tuned to get all the insider tips and stories. Buckle up and let's embark on this journey. What makes Oxford's campus so unique? Well, the University of Oxford dances to its own beat, defying the typical central campus layout. Instead, it spreads its intellectual wealth across the city, with colleges and institutes scattered throughout Oxford. This unique layout fosters a vibrant, citywide academic culture, blending seamlessly with the city's everyday life. Among its architectural gems, the Radcliffe Camera stands as an iconic symbol of Oxford's rich academic legacy. But the grandeur doesn't stop there. The university parks, spanning a vast 70 acres, offer a refreshing oasis of greenery amidst the scholarly hustle and bustle. The Ashmolean Museum, the world's second oldest university museum, is a treasure trove of art and archaeology, while the Oxford University Press stands as the largest university press globally, disseminating knowledge far and wide. In essence, Oxford is not just an academic institution, but a city filled with architectural grandeur and historical significance. What sets Oxford's academic life apart? Picture a comprehensive blend of tradition and innovation. At Oxford, the collegiate system nurtures an environment that is both intimate and expansive. Each of the 39 colleges and 6 permanent private houses are independent, self-governing bodies, each with their own distinct character, traditions, and academic specialities. Yet, they all form part of the larger university, fostering a sense of belonging and community that is rare in such a large institution. Oxford's global standing is nothing short of impressive. Gracing the second spot in the QS World University Rankings for 2022, Oxford's academic prowess is world-renowned. From the sciences to the arts, the university's diverse range of subjects offers a breadth and depth of study that few institutions can match. Adding to its academic distinction, Oxford holds a unique language milestone. It prides itself on being the oldest university where English is the main language of instruction. This legacy is a testament to the university's commitment to the advancement and preservation of the English language and literature. But Oxford is not just about academics. It's also about the vibrant student life that complements the rigors of study. Here, tradition weaves seamlessly into the everyday. Formal events require the sub-fusc attire, a sartorial throwback that adds a touch of elegance and solemnity to occasions. The Botanic Garden, the oldest in the UK, is home to over 8,000 plant species. It serves as a lush, tranquil haven for students to relax, study, or simply marvel at nature's diversity. And when it comes to leisure, punting on the River Cherwell is a favored pastime. Whether you're the one steering the punt or just enjoying the ride, it's an experience quintessential to Oxford student life. In essence, Oxford is a university where academic excellence and vibrant student life go hand in hand. It's a place where students can grow intellectually, socially, and personally, all within the framework of a globally esteemed institution. Academic excellence and vibrant student life go hand in hand at Oxford. What are some interesting tidbits about Oxford University, you may ask? Well, let's delve into a few fun facts and unique aspects that make this academic institution stand out. Firstly, Oxford's historical architecture is a marvel to behold. The city was largely untouched by World War II bombings, preserving the centuries-old buildings that give Oxford its distinctive charm. This ancient backdrop has also caught Hollywood's attention, with many Oxford buildings doubling as filming locations in the Harry Potter series. These architectural gems have become synonymous with the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, making Oxford a must-visit for Potterheads worldwide. Speaking of literature, Lewis Carroll's famous story Alice in Wonderland originated here in 1862. Carroll, real name Charles Dodgson, was a mathematics lecturer at Christ Church College, where he spun magical tales for the dean's daughter, Alice Liddell, inspiring the beloved book. On the topic of books, Blackwell's bookstore in Oxford is known for the world's largest book sales room. It's a paradise for bibliophiles, spanning over 10,000 square feet and housing an estimated 3 miles of shelving. Oxford also houses the most complete specimens of the extinct dodo bird, known as the Oxford dodo. It's a fascinating link to a species lost to time, preserved within the university's Museum of Natural History. Lastly, All Souls College, one of Oxford's constituent colleges, is renowned for its highly selective admissions process. It's a testament to the university's commitment to academic excellence and intellectual rigor. Oxford's rich history and cultural relevance make it much more than just a university. Who are some notable Oxford alumni, and what historical milestones has the university achieved? Let's delve into that. Oxford University boasts a rich tapestry of illustrious alumni. Among the ranks of royalty are King Edward VII and King Edward VIII. It has also nurtured 28 UK prime ministers, along with global kings, princes, and heads of state. The literary world, too, has been graced by Oxford graduates, with luminaries like Lewis Carroll and J.R. Tolkien penning timeless classics. And let's not forget the innovators, such as Sir Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web. Oxford's history is equally impressive. Its teaching roots extend back to at least 1096, marking it as one of the cradles of learning. The Bodleian Library, among Europe's oldest libraries, stands testament to the university's commitment to knowledge and scholarship. Oxford has also been a trailblazer in progressive milestones. In 1875, it began admitting women, paving the way for increased diversity and inclusivity. The university's impact is not confined to the past. In the wake of the recent global health crisis, Oxford collaborated on the development of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, proving its relevance and commitment to global well-being. Oxford University has shaped and been shaped by some of the world's most influential figures, contributing to its enduring legacy and global impact. Having learned about the illustrious alumni and the historical significance of Oxford University, how about we dive into what it's like to be an Oxford student? As a student at Oxford, you become part of a centuries-old tradition of academic excellence. The university's tutorial system, where students receive personalized instruction from professors, is one of its most distinctive features. This system fosters a close-knit intellectual community, encouraging students to explore their passions and develop their critical thinking skills. Life at Oxford, though, is not all about academics. The university is home to over 400 clubs and societies, catering to a wide range of interests. Whether you're into music, drama, sports, or debating, you'll find a community that shares your passion. Oxford's college system also fosters a sense of camaraderie. With each college having its own traditions and quirks, students quickly feel at home. From the grandeur of the annual May Ball to the excitement of the Oxford-Cambridge boat race, life at Oxford is filled with unique experiences that make your university years unforgettable. Being an Oxford student is more than just attending a university. It's becoming part of a community, a tradition, and a global network of thinkers, innovators, and leaders.